Hey guys, today I'm reviewing this dilophosaurus. I I got this yesterday and I'm opening this today because I'm gonna I'm gonna upload this with my Very Nice Chaos, which the video that I didn't upload yet, but I'm gonna upload it with this too. So I found this at Target. It was surprising. It was a Target near my church cathedral school, and it has a Jurassic World. It has a blue right here, and yeah, if you saw my Velociraptor one and the yellow, no, you didn't see it, but see the Velociraptor one, it had the Darius and the Carnotaurus. So the ones that are like non-Jurassic World has this, but the Camp Cretaceous ones, non-Camp Cretaceous have Jurassic World, but the Camp Cretaceous ones that do appear at Camp Cretaceous have the Camp Cretaceous treatment. And you got the Dino Escape. You can see broken fences and yellow with some pteranodons. Looks nice. It shows in action the features. And yeah, to cut it out because it's kind of has that frill. Yeah, that frill moving. Includes the Chilingosaurus, the Mexicosaurus, and the Velociraptor. I already have those ones, and I have this one left. We got so. Without further ado, let's get this out. Oh yes, also you can scan it too. So let's open this guy up. So snip it with scissors. It's kind of hard because I have my blue scissors this time. But still, even though it's hard, I can still get this figure out. It's just right. Gotta do this correct. It's kind of hard, but you know, when I do scissors, you always get things open. And speaking of open, I got this guy open. Alright, so here it is, Dilophosaurus. This actually reminds me of the action feature, which includes in the Primal Attack one, and this color scheme looks like the one from the Fallen Kingdom, very rare Fallen Kingdom Dilophosaurus. It's very rare, and you know, I don't have that one because I think it's so rare. Maybe I'm wrong. There's not one of these. Maybe it's just a new sculpt. Maybe it's not. Because I don't know, because I haven't seen videos of this. So, uh, so you know, look. So you see these red fins right here. And then you can see, like, I like that. And you got this white texturing with some gray. And then the mole looks good. Here's the scan code. It looks nice. It looks fantastic. I said it before on Chaos, it looks sick, but this is even cool too. And you have this tail. So this is like kind of bendy articulation on the arms. See if they can do this and this. And the legs. Not bad. There's not much articulation, but it looks nice. And you can actually use this and it moves. It's frills. Nice. It looks fantastic. And in the mouth, I see that. Looks nice. Now comparing with my Primal Attack one. So I think, yeah, they have the same kind of mouth, but they're different colors. This is green, this is white, and I got this last year, and I got this this year. Looks nice. Well, I mean, the texturing looks, so there's less much of a paint detail in the secondary and the thirds. This one has more primary, and this one, yeah, it has reduced primaries. The secondaries is a lot more on this one, by these fins. And then this one, because it's more of the primary color in this one than this one. And the head, this one's all primary colored. This one has a secondary color right here. And you can see this tail is only primary. This one has some primary with secondary with the orange. They're real cool. Some finishings. They kind of. I also did measure the height, like the length. This is how long it is. It's not pretty big. It's one of those smaller figures. So enough talking about that. It looks cool as the final standings. Like this video and subscribe. We need to get to 60 subscribers by now. And the video's over. Bye.